Here I have JAECOO5, and on this example let me show you how to change language in JAECOOCARS. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the standard home screen of JAECOOCARS. Now let's find here and select settings. This is this icon at the top of the screen. As you can see, now you've got full list of settings. In my case, let me choose here on the left tab the system, and then let's choose language settings. If you tap the language settings, you've got access to full list of languages that you can use on this device. As you can see, there is the full list. You can check which languages you can choose. In my case, let me switch, for example, English from English to Spanish. So let's choose Español right here, tap OK. And as you can see, the whole list of languages is in Spanish. You can also check out the other applications. Everything is in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, let's just find here and select Ajustas right here. Select Sistema and choose here Ajustas de idioma and select English. Tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.